Hello everyone and welcome back to Pyanodons hard mode. In the last episode I got the cotton guts started and yeah, we will very soon see the first cycle of the cotton gut recipe finished and then yeah, also have a nice milestone for this. Um, Over here, this is waiting for the cotton guts, making more pups, and this will cycle through. Also, I think I'm going to yeah, change this belt again to let the seeds flow. I don't think it's important for this to stop because yeah. Oh, what I can do is like put two modules in here. Thanks, bots. I wanted to put this in the other building. Um, okay. I know this is now a bit slower, but if the pups reach further, then I have a second building that can process them. Yeah. Oh, look at all that spoiling. It's really sad to see. I think I can even improve this a little bit further. Right? That should do the trick. And we have the first cotton guts. 113 hours. Look at that. So, in this episode, I'd like to clean up a few things. Just like this. This belt of biomass. Do something similar. So, everything that is native flora, you are allowed to pass on the left side. And everything else, please go in here. Yeah, this is crazy fast. Biomass just doesn't have a significant fuel value. Ah, this one. I could actually do something here. I don't need cDNA for quite some while, but I do need plasmids. Lots and lots of plasmids for science. And yeah, I have most of this already here, so why not? Let's get rid of this. And this. And this. And that. And this. No one needs Zogner. I have Zogner on the bus now. So I'm missing rubber. I have rubber on the bus. Equipment chassis is right next door. Tin plates I have on the bus. Simple circuit boards and iron oxalate antimony special alloy. I can probably bring these via caravan. And let's not forget, I need more. I will just need more of this. So another section here. I think I'm going to keep the retrovirus, and I also should keep the cDNA. later on. So I need lots of inputs here, like tin plates, rubber. Tin plates are here. So you go up. Maybe here. And I will need another one of these. Now, you are tin plates. I don't know if 10 is enough. Maybe not, because I will need lots and lots of tin plates. Speaking of which, I will probably need so many tin plates that I will do that. And now, quick. Tin plates, less than... Yeah, 50 might be a good number. Or I bring the tin plates explicitly up. Maybe I will do that, because I also need a lot of rubber. And I will not want to strain the sushi too much. Where's my rubber? I'm blind. It's right next door. But that's not the official rubber lane, right? That's just something else. So let's see. This is... let's move this a bit. You don't need to put this back onto the belt. You can just feed directly in here. Yeah. I will bring the rubber over here together with the tin plates. This is here. That is rubber. Oh, let's not do this. Or maybe do this. I need another liquid input here for the Zogner. And this is a lot of input per second. That's 1.4 per second. Yeah, this is really a big one. Obviously, I can't make buildings here. So what else do they need? Optical sets, yeah, I have those, and small parts. How do I get small parts? I don't want to build them, really not. But I do need a lot. Maybe I... Okay, caravan. I want a caravan. One big caravan outpost. Like here. You have small parts. You have the antimony alloy, and you have circuit boards. Okay. And then... Okay, this is not a lot. Let's make this long inserters. Needs to count for something, right? So the long-handed go here. Fed from above. Yeah, I think I can just split this evenly. Then that is, yeah. So one of these is the circuit boards, and the other one will be the antimony alloy. Small parts. Oh god. Small parts go in here as well. So, small parts on this side. Now let's make these a bit larger. Okay, you have small parts, you have rubber, you have the equipment chassis, you have optical set from here. You have everything as well. Now, the fun part. I need lots and lots of incubated petri dishes. And a few buildings for the plasmids. So... Is it Gene Lab? No, it's Biofactory. This is the plasmids. And I need those. I want to direct insert, probably like so. This is an input and an output. This outputs the... Yeah. The spoiled petri dishes. And this also needs to output spoiled petri dishes, but also the normal stuff. And it needs input Glassware lab instrument. Yeah. Just go in, go out. And now I need a few copies of this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is this even wise to do with a sushi belt? It saves space, but that's about all. On the other hand, there's not that much on the belt. It's the petri dishes, it's fuel for the buildings. Tin plates are no longer here, actually. They're not supposed to be here. Yeah, I will keep the belt. And I will change this one to a belt. And I need a lot of petri dishes on this belt, so that 100 is okay. Ooh, okay. Then I will need an output for the plasmids. Plasmids come down here. For now, they go into a chest. But that's really just temporary. This has to wrap over. Yeah, this sushi belt really was not a good idea. I should have deconstructed all of this. Oh yeah, it's too late for this now. Let's bring some power. Power, power, power. Then I'll need Sorgner bacteria on that side. Let's see. Oh, this fits perfectly. Yep. Ah, crap. This is a little bit too large. See, this is better. So, the tin plates here. Not happy about this, but it's fine. I need to bring down or bring up the Sorgner. This is ugly. Okay, you are going here, please. Yeah, as I said, it's ugly. And it's even more ugly because this is the support. Can I instead do this here somehow? Yeah. Let's do this here. So this is going up, moving to the right, to the left, whatever. And coming here. There's a pump, just for good measure. Where's my Zogner bacteria? It's over here. Zogner? Oh. I have to extend this a little bit. Because, yeah, this is really... No, still not good. Now, this is better. I can bring this down to wherever I need it. What's the next free line? Methane. Is there anything below methane? No. Okay, so you go... You go here. Oh yes, there is something below methane. Quite a lot, actually. So you go here instead. And how far? Still a bit. Okay. Yeah, this is about the place that I have to go. Yeah, right. I will build this manually. Otherwise I have to wait for the bots. There's no point in using the bots for this. Okay. That's Zogner bacteria. In a very weird way, but it is going up here. Now... Yeah. I have to bring some glassware. Somehow this is getting a bit dense. Maybe even a bit too dense. Glassware. I think in the long run I have to move this up a little bit and yeah, build another building. For now I will do just this. This is my glassware. How far do I have to go? Not a lot, actually. So I will use a a fluid line. Maybe this one. Yep, that is perfect. That really is perfect. Oh, where was this? Here. Glassware is going to the side. And up to here. Huh. Yeah, it's not 100% perfect. It's just almost perfect, let's be honest. The problem here is really the space. This does not help. There's a caravan outpost in my way. I need to do this exact thing, but further down. Why is this one outputting so much? Did I cut a wire? I probably cut a wire somewhere. So the same thing, but on the left side. Yeah, I can do that. I really should get all those optical sets back into the machine. That's too many optical sets, you know? That's really too many. It's also too many petri dishes and everything. Okay, the belt is long. Nothing is clogging up. That's what counts. So these buildings are running. And this one could run if it had the ingredients. Glassware. Now, how do I bring this on here? I think right here. It's a power pole. That's the wiring. Another wire. And this is glassware. Okay. Okay. It looks a little bit like spaghetti, but it will be fine, I believe. So, glassware exists. Now I have to bring all of this, right? So, one free caravan, right? This will not be enough. You are Phoenix for Plasmids. You please go to the Phoenix outpost. You fill your cargo and then drop in here. Empty. Go. I will try to grab the buildings that I need real quick. and set up a few more caravans. Oh, I don't need that incubator. What was that for previously? I have no idea. Is this... yeah. Maybe I have to change this to a second chitin building. Just a second one of these. No. Instead, let's make this one. This is connected. This is obsolete. Was it really that simple? No, it was not. First of all, this one can be moved. But also, this is moving further up. Yeah. Like so. So, no, not like so. Like so. I have enough steam by now, that's not the issue, but the middle oil really needs that overflow valve behind the second building. And let's not forget, second building also needs some inserters, otherwise it's not doing anything. Let's see. This will hopefully recover soon. Now, caravans. I needed those extra caravans. Let's make those. Caravan. Here you are. Where can I feed you? Like, here's a good spot, right? Jerky into all of you. Okay, I see no red blinking warning signs anymore. So you are 3 caravans. Just let me copy this, and you need that interrupt. And yeah, copy paste this, please. And you can all be renamed and get your food. Well, this really hurts to do manually. Before I had bots, it didn't really matter that much. Everything was manual work. But now with bots, this really feels like it's not in the spirit of Factorio. Okay. What are the buildings that I need? This is the building I don't need. Pressure pump. Where can I get rid of you? Are you not needed in other buildings? Yeah, okay. Not really. Nevertheless, you go in here. I have rubber. Get rid of the rubber. And petri dish. Yeah. I have a burner. Burner. Where are you going? In here. Instead, what I need is a lot of microorganism mines and biofactories. Now this will be a problem. 2 microorganism mines and 3 biofactories. Yep, this is a problem. How many do you need? 15. Okay. I don't care. Biofactory, here you go. Let's rotate you for a moment. Or just grab them again. So then, microorganism mine. Where are you? Here. Like 2, then I need the burner assembling machines from here. And caravans. I need caravans for small parts and simple circuit boards. So I need outposts. Yeah. I have outposts. Simple circuit boards. Yeah, let's build this next to each other. And yeah, that is fine. Where is my free caravan? They are all waiting for my orders. So you are circuit boards for plasmids. Please go here. No, fill might be a bit too much. You load a stack. It's 200 circuit boards and drop them here. And small parts. I think there is enough space. And just have to make it work. Yep. So this is going to be small parts. Filter you, add a few copies. And maybe limit you a little bit. And the caravan. Where are you? You are small parts for plasmids. You go here. You load small parts. Yeah, maybe 1,000. And then drop it here. Empty. Go. Now I can kickstart this by dropping in a few small parts. Why not? So I have microorganism mines, biofactories, burner assembling machines. What else is missing here? That's everything. Let's try to make this. Yeah, still waiting for the next research. And here we are. So this has everything it needs, except I will very likely need more glass works on this belt, because the belt is huge. Yeah. Plasmids. Let's make only one stack here. And please only do this. Oh, this is wrong. This is wrong. I just don't want to fill too many plasmids onto the belt. Now this really should make some plasmids. What's the limit for those buildings? They don't have a limit. It's not what I want. Please. Yeah, up to 50. Up to 50 should be enough. And this needs circuits. Yeah. Just go for now. I want to see this running. Yeah, really just missing the circuit boards here. And yeah, there's a little bit too much of the optical sets on the belt. But I think that's fine. Also, there's still 3 of this. No, this will never input. I will try to do this manually. Or do I even care? No, I don't care about the 3 items on the belt. Like the boron trioxide, it's called. Yeah, items. Simple way out. So, circuits have arrived. This is making the equipment chassis. Going over here, this makes lab instruments. And yeah, this eats a ton of rubber. 1.42 per second in each building. That's why there are so many inserters here. And yeah, this needs an equal amount of tin plates. Luckily, it's not eating multiple circuit boards per second. That would be a pain. But I think this is okay-ish. It's still a lot of circuit boards. I might need to increase that. Yeah, okay, so we have plasmids, right? Lots and lots of plasmids. They are all running. No, not yet, but soon. And if I really need to, I can simply add another cDNA maker at the very top. And bring a few ingredients. Steel and brow cocoons for this one. And yeah, that really should be all. Now, I want to dump my petri dishes here. The belt is definitely long enough. I can just do this. Yeah, oh, you know what? Simpler way of doing this. Here, have some petri dishes. Plasmids. Why do I not see any plasmids here? There, one is coming down belt. Maybe I want a yellow one. Okay. And from here, this can go somewhere down here onto the bus, because logistics science will be at the very right side. Okay. Now I think I'm happy with my plasmids. Is it perfect? No, by no means. But it is working. What's going on with these buildings? Not all of them have gasoline in them. Half of them have gasoline, okay. It's better than nothing. I have formic acid, the chitin is flowing. Yeah, I think I'm happy here. Let's go back to the mall, cause in 2 minutes I can make my first mechanical parts. At least I hope so. I don't think I have enough brakes. Yeah, no brakes here. I think I can put you back in here. Steal some brakes. Put them in here. Yeah, it's not very automated. But I really want my first mechanical parts ASAP. What is the module breeding doing here? 50, that's 2.5 buildings, great. Yeah, this is really just working slowly. Yeah, it would help the spoiling prevention if this actually read the whole belt, not just a single one. Yeah, it's really funny to see this, to see the underground belt contents. Can you really see those buildings coming through here? It's just I don't see a lot of steel or duralumin. Okay, technology is done. This is making a control panel. This is making a utility box. Oh, this one is actually quite slow. Do I want a Mark II here? Maybe. Oh, this is missing steel. Great. So no mechanical parts for me today. Let's grab a stack. Steel. Here you go. And this makes even 3 at once. So another milestone for today. Mechanical parts. 01. Thankfully, this is not going up to more than 4. I don't know why it has this leading 0. Just looks weird in my opinion. Okay, 6 mechanical parts. How many to put into here? Like 100. Why do I not put them on the belt? Because I think I wanted to distribute them manually for now, because they are so valuable. There's also not a lot of things that need them. I need them for heat exchanger, for science. And I will probably want to make some biomass power plants. What does the tech tree look like now? Because I can see the science. I can see it, I can feel it. I have a real aluminium shortage. I want to start building trains. I need the voiding of the dead orcs. I want more power. Maybe that's the order. Maybe even like this. Yeah, this looks about right. I will probably put back the fluid wagons. But yeah, I want to get the rails going so that I can start planning and designing the rail blueprints and stamping down a few copies of my rail block. And yeah, then I need to get the logi science going. Is this making a lot of wood? No. How can I best dump my wood or my logs? I think it's really done here, right? So, input prio left, and now This will be a nice chest full of logs that I have to get rid of. Okay, Vitrolloy has backed up now. That's good to see. Intermetallics almost. Because this actually eats a ton of duralumin as well. Yeah, and it will be on the whole belt. It will be a while until this is back at normal. I know that I have brains by now. No need to show off anymore. Instead, let's put this into the mall. Duralumin. I'm so short on that, and I don't make a lot. At least I'm making science packs. Oh, the duralumin has gone up. Is the aluminium... Yeah, the aluminium here is backed up, so more aluminium goes into the duralumin smelter. This might help a lot. Because back then it was like 4 per minute. And now it's more like 6, maybe 7. But I still don't really have steel. I think this is still making a bunch of automated screeners. Ooh. It's almost done making them. I think 2 more as a buffer in this building, and then it will stop. Then it will go to coal power plants. Look at that. Collection of caravans. But I still like to do it like one item per caravan. Doing these multi-item caravans, I think, is not worth the risk of breaking things. What is here? Let's get rid of you. We're dumping you into this chest. And I have a little bit of stone. Stone, I think I can still dump into here. But I will need to find a proper dump for stone. Like here, this is already a splitter. I just need to put it onto the left lane, unfortunately. And there's not a lot of space. So let's test this. Yeah, I think this is working just fine. Perfect. My inventory looks quite clean. Might even look a bit too clean. I don't make splitters anywhere, right? Let's change this. Splitter. I want 100 of you in this chest. And I have some belt. Where are they? Somewhere here. Let's increase to 50. Oh, that is already quite full. Weird. Huh. I could do an experiment and place everything on the left lane, and then the right lane is reserved for the output buildings. That's actually a bad idea, I believe. Yeah, let's keep it this way. Maybe I can also tone down the soil a little bit, and the glass and the copper and all this. So let me grab some of these long-handed inserters and the normal ones. It's all great to have everything available in a mall. 50 small poles. When those are gone, I will probably not build anymore. And somehow I'm not seeing a lot of splitters yet. Well, I think I'm going to do one last run of the cotton gut modules and then call it a day. Regarding modules, I can't even fit these modules. I need to go into buildings. And let's make a few buildings. Steel. Here is steel. Sorry guys. I have some high priority buildings that I really want. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. I think that's approximately correct. The best way of correct. Approximately correct. Now, if I was to build a global Robopod network, I could just do all of this remotely. The problem is, it takes forever for the bots to go from one end of the base to the other. So yeah, I'm not a friend of this. Okay, that is 3.5 buildings. Not bad. And I have a few cotton gut pups. Just put them in here. This will very slowly speed up. But yeah, with 4 buildings and one of this, I'm already making 5 per minute. That's like one piece of belt per minute. Yeah. It's going to take a while. I might need to change this splitter here once it has... once I want to make logistic science packs. I don't know exactly how many % I can steal. But yeah, maybe I'll find a splitter configuration that allows both science packs and the belts to back up. And yeah, With that, I'd like to thank you all for watching and see you in the next episode.